Episode 3, The Genetic Frontier in Reconstruction Internal Optimization Protocol. Rewriting the Human Code, Part 3, Thirds the Hook, the end of genetic destiny for decades. We were conditioned to believe that our genes were a fixed script-determinal sentence handed down by our ancestors. This is a legacy delusion. If your DNA is the hardware of your biological computer, your epigenome is the software, and software can be reprogrammed. The science of epigenetics has revealed that our environment, inputs, and protocols act as code injections that can toggle specific genes on or off. You are not a victim of your heritage. You are the user with administrative access. In this final session of the Internal Optimization Protocol, we move beyond simple maintenance and into reconstruction. We are decoding the signaling power of peptides, the precision of nutrigenomics, and the controversial pharmacology of rapamycin. This is the 2026 blueprint to stop being a passive observer of your decline and start being the architect of your biological future. Section 11. Peptides, the signaling revolution. If traditional supplements are suggestions to the body, peptides are direct, encrypted commands. These short chains of amino acids function as precise signaling molecules, binding to specific receptors to tell your cells exactly what to repair, grow, or incinerate. PPC-157 and TB500, the systemic repair stack derived from human gastric juice and the thymus gland. These peptides are the gold standard for tissue reconstruction. K. They trigger angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, and upregulate growth factor receptors. They don't just mask discomfort, K. They accelerate the mechanical repair of tendons, ligaments, and the gut lining, leaky gut. K, S, K, E, the copper peptide. This molecule is a genomic reset button. It has been shown to modulate the expression of over 4,000 human genes, shifting them back to a more youthful state. GHK-Cu enhances collagen synthesis and neuroregeneration, effectively tightening the biological mesh of your skin and connective tissues. CJC-1295 plus ipamorelin. These are GHC protagogics. Unlike synthetic growth hormone, which can shut down your natural production, these peptides signal your pituitary gland to release your own endogenous pulses of GH, optimizing fat loss and cellular repair without the system crash of traditional HRT. Section 12. Nutrigenomics and methylation. Your genetic map, generic nutrition, is a relic of the industrial age. The human code requires an understanding of your SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphisms, the specific variations in your code that dictate how you process life at a molecular level. The MTHFR mutation, affecting nearly 40% of the population. This glitch in the methylation pathway prevents the body from converting folic acid into its active form. If you have this mutation, you are likely accumulating homocysteine, a toxic byproduct that scars your arteries and causes chronic brain fog. The fix is not eating better. It is the targeted use of methylated B vitamins to bypass the genetic roadblock. APOE4 and lipid transport. Carrying the APOE for allele changes how your brain clears amyloid plaque and how you process saturated fats. For these individuals, a keto diet high in animal fats is not a hack. It is a fast track to neurodegeneration. Precision matters. COMT, the stress gatekeeper. This gene dictates how fast your brain clears dopamine and norepinephrine. Curing. Are you a warrior, slow clearance, high focus, high anxiety, or a warrior fast clearance, calm under pressure, prone to boredom? Knowing your calm status allows you to engineer your environment and supplement stack to protect your executive function. Section 13. Longevity pharmacology. The mTOR AMCs switch to pause the biological clock. We must manipulate the two primary nutrient sensing pathways of the cell, mTOR growth and AMPK repair. Rapamycin, currently the most promising longevity molecule in existence. Rapamycin works by inhibiting mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin. By posing this drug, we mimic a state of deep cellular fasting, Q triggering massive autophagy, the process where your cells identify and eat their own trash. This clears out the protein aggregates that lead to Alzheimer's and cardiovascular stiffening. Acarbose, a pharmacological tool used by the elite to blunt glucose spikes at the source. By inhibiting the breakdown of complex carbohydrates in the gut, acarbose prevents the postprandial inflammation that ticks the epigenetic clock faster. Section 14. The environment as a biohazard. Your genes load the gun, but your environment pulls the trigger. We live in an estrogenic world saturated with endocrine disruptors that hijack your hormonal software. The xenoestrogen load, phthalates, BPA, and forever chemicals, PFAS, mimic estrogen and block testosterone receptors. This leads to the feminization of the male biological profile and systemic fat storage. The detox protocol. To optimize, you must move beyond detox teas. You need to fuel the phase 2 liver detoxification pathways using NAC, unacetyled cysteine, and sulforaphane. This ensures your body can conjugate and excrete these modern toxins before they damage your DNA. Section 15. The 12-month Human Code Roadmap Optimization is not a singular event. It is a perpetual operating system. Here is your annual implementation strategy. Months 1, 2, 3, the system audit. Stabilize glucose via CGM. Identify your SNPs, methylation, COMT, K, and fix the gut microbiome to ensure nutrient absorption. K. Months 4 to 6 infrastructure build. Focus on hypertrophy to build the endocrine pharmacy of muscle. K. Optimize vitamin D3 K2 levels 260, 280 ng/ml. Months 7 to 9, the engine upgrade. Introduce 9 precursors and pulsed senolytics. Vizetin to clear out zombie cells. Start the Hormetic Protocol Sauna for bi-week. Months 10 to 12, advanced reconstruction. Analyze your biological age via an epigenetic clock test like True Diagnostic. Fine-tune with specific peptides or longevity molecules based on the data. Conclusion. Biological sovereignty. The current healthcare system is a sick care system. It is designed to keep you from dying, but it is not designed for you to thrive. Human code is an act of biological rebellion. Requires the discipline to measure, the curiosity to learn, courage to treat your body as a high-stakes engineering project. You are no longer a victim of your genes. You are the architect. This concludes our internal optimization series. You now have the full 15-section blueprint. The question is, will you remain a spectator of your own decline, or will you take control of your code? Leave a comment with the word architect if you are taking full ownership of your biology today. Like, subscribe, and share this with those who refuse to settle for the standard decline. The code is biological. The mastery is yours.